See here, once I click this one, okay, I can able to see these options. Okay, once I click on this one, see here, we having only general and fact tabs. Okay, here you can see data source is reference this one. 2LS11 V item. Okay, generated flow and all will come. Okay, technical name. And go facts. See, automatically all these fields will come. Okay, all these fields came. If you want to associate, you can associate with field, info object or no open view. Okay, you can associate. So as of now, fine. Okay, activate it. When you're creating OpenODS view, no need to load the data because it is a OpenODS view, right? See, when we are creating a Composite folder, we are not loading data to Composite folder, right? Because it is a uh, because it is a completely virtual. When you create OpenODS view, no need to load the data. Okay, so if they create any sales order, immediately it is available. No need to load the data. In the source system level, if they create any sales order, immediately it is available in the OpenODS view level. Okay, see now here. Now how you will see data? Open and remove, explore data flow. Fine, okay. And now I will ZEX open, right? I will go to here. I will check the data here. However we check in RSMNG slash n RSMNG. Go here. Do we have any option? No. Okay. I will go here. List keep. I'll go to list keep. I'll give my object name. What is my object name? ZEX open. See here, whatever we have objects, all are showing here. Okay, you can select and you can see the data. I did not load the data. Okay, remove all keywords. Okay, remove all. Where is this one? Remove all. So I just removed all key figures. So whatever I want, I will select here. Okay, I want order quantity, just order quantity, and I will select only company code. You can go company code, and I will select created on. Okay, just okay, and okay, and material order is an plant. Okay, fine. Sales document blank. Okay, fine. Sales document and sales group. Sales are the okay company code sold to party customer. So just I will go and I will show you. Fields for selection output and select all characteristic and execute it. See now, if you want to remove 200 and then you can execute it. So this is how we'll see the data. This is how we'll see the data in the open ODS view level. Okay. So even if you create any sales order, even if you create any sales order in the source level, okay. For example, let's say here, okay, this is the, okay, let me log in here and go here. Yes, I'm logging into S4HANA. Okay. VA01. I'm going to create one sales order. Okay. Okay, here. Okay, then I'll go to here. What is, okay, fine. Okay, sorry. Okay, I will try with this one. Okay, 10, item 10. And material, select this material and order quantity 10,000. Okay, and then enter, continue. Okay, now you can see the net value 3,000 and go here and in completion log. Okay, I will select this one and save this one. So now 669 order is came 669. So remember this 669. Now okay, if you this one, this is open ODS view, right? So here we have a sales document number. This is okay. So now you can see 669 will come. So now we don't have 669. Okay, 669. Okay, just now created. We need to refresh, right? Go back, and now where is the sales document number? 669. We'll try it. Okay. Now I need to refresh the system. Okay. Let me. Okay. Okay. This one remove all, and I will select the quantity. Where is our order? Company code, material, sales document number, item, POS not. Where is POS not? I'll search for POS now. Okay. This is the item. Okay. Okay. Just okay. And now 669. Are we getting? Page file selection and select all characteristic. Okay. And execute. Okay. I'm not getting means we need to give before stars. Star 669. We need to give like this. Where is our, we'll see at least here. All documents came. 669. In data source level, at least it's coming 669. Okay, it's not coming, right? Let me check in data source level. RSA3, true LIS underscore 11 underscore B item. Okay, here, what is our document? Okay, fine. Execute. Okay, where is our sales document number? This one, right? Okay. Do we have 669? So if you are getting here, then we will get it. No. So we are not getting this one. So like this, if any document is created immediately, it will come. But 669, it is not coming to this picture. So whatever we created, but the whatever we created sales order, that is available in VBAC table. That criteria it is not meeting. Don't know why it is not coming at this moment. Okay, maybe okay, some condition is missing. Okay, order is we need to create proper sales document number so that it will come. Okay, and then we will see. Okay, if we create proper sales document number, immediately we can able to see here. No need to load the data because I just want to tell you that no need to load the data. If we create any sales document number, it will come automatically. Okay, if we create proper sales document number. Okay, that is what I want to share to you. Okay, and here while you are creating different options came, right? And you can create sales doc, OpenODS view. Okay, now we created OpenODS view based on this option, right? Okay, based on the data source. Let me change. Okay, one more thing. I will delete this one. Okay, I will add one more OpenODS view. Okay, now you can give any name. Okay, name. Okay, if you select any master data also, it will work. Okay, and let me select fact only, and I will select this one. And he see here we selected data source. Now you can select this one database view, database table. See existing data source and okay, we'll see. What is this? Select open star. Okay, let me see. If you are getting opportunities, then fine. Okay, this is coming like no SAP BW source system only. It is not showing any S4. So like this, you can create SS. Okay, more options coming here. See, based on this, you can create database table. Whatever you have tables in the BW system, that is coming. Distribution, source, projection. Okay, what are all this we have? Okay, this is only BW relevant. Okay, and now. Okay, while you are creating, select this one, go here. Okay, okay, go here and you can select virtual table or calculation view. Okay, calculation view, database table, include, okay, and you can select virtual table, HANA remote system. HANA remote system is selected. So whatever we created virtual tables or something, it will display. Okay, here you can see, okay. S4 HANA deck, okay. You can see if you have any tables, just type star. So as of now, we don't have any and go back and we'll select other system. Here, yeah, we have some tables, okay. And here you can select sysbac, okay. Let me check any all our systems, okay. And what is this our, okay. And okay, mine is this one. select star. Whatever we created tables, we don't create any virtual tables. Go back. I'll select other one. If anyone created virtual tables, there we can see it. No one created. Go back. And we need to select the right, okay. And see anyone, they want to, yeah, we have some virtual tables here. Really? Oh, what are the virtual tables? Okay, let me show you here. Okay, create source system, select existing one. So if we have proper name, then we can do it. Okay. So we didn't create. So I will show you like right now, we don't have complete authorization as Devanshu here. Okay. Star. Okay. No tables are created. See, these are all schemas only. Where we have schemas. Okay. Where we have schemas. You can see here. I'll go here. I'll show you. Okay. If we go to here, log on. And this is what I'm searching. Okay. Okay. Here, if you go here, where we have virtual tables, here you can see if we have any virtual table, we will get it. Okay. Here, 59. Okay. Do we have any virtual table? Okay. We need to select this option and we can check it. Okay. Refresh OpenSQL. Variable mapping, source dimensions. Okay, right. I mean, we have to create add a virtual table. Then it will have it. Okay, so automatically it is disconnecting. Okay, so like this, people will create virtual tables. Okay, like this, people will create virtual tables with Oracle, SQL. Whenever we are doing like no Oracle, Salesforce data, then we will perform this small data access. So in the interview, they will ask you small data access. When you are getting data from non-SAP systems, then we will use like small data access. We will create the virtual table. How you will create the virtual table? So here you can see schemas. You can see whatever you have Oracle, all the systems, all the tables will have it and create as a virtual table. Okay, I'm going to create as a virtual table. Create virtual table. Okay, what is the table name? This one. Table name is this one. Create it. See, I don't have privilege to create this one. Okay. Or else you can try any other one. Okay. Configurations. So like this, if you have, even if you select this in Oracle data. Okay, we can do it. Okay, customer sales. Okay. Keeps create as a virtual and create it. See, I don't have sufficient privilege for this to create this one. If we have, then we will create. Okay, we need to create this. Whatever you have Oracle data, all Oracle tables. Assume like these are Oracle tables. So we need to create a virtual table and we can use that virtual table into this. Okay, wherever we are getting open issue, here we need to select virtual table option. That virtual table we need to select it. So while you are creating open view, we are getting these options, right? We are getting these options, right? Virtual table. So that we need to select. HANA remote system. HANA remote system only, right? We are going smarter access. That we need to select that option. Big data. This is new option. BW4 HANA. So we can get data from big data, Facebook. Okay. And if you want to create OpenISU based on the ADS also, it is possible. And what we have created just now. So just now we create a read master data, right? You can select this option and you can create it based on this DSO you are creating. See, automatically it is arranged it. These are the currency fields, these are the unit fields, and these are the key figures, and it was selected. Now you can see very simple to creation of OpenRS view and no need to load the data. It will not support for Delta. Remember this point, it will not support for Delta. It will not support for Delta. Delta. Only full loads. Only full loads. Only full update. Okay. And now if we go to here, okay, like this you can create. If you want to see the data, you can go there only. Or this one, list cube and go there and you can check it. Okay. Okay, this is how we'll create the open issue. In the real time, not much we will create. Okay. Don't worry about it. Just tell them if anyone asks, okay, this is the open issue. Open issue is a virtual provider. Okay, it is completely okay. For while you are creating OpenRSView, we having many source options like advanced DSO, transformation, and database view, database table, data source, virtual table, big data. Based on these options, you can create the OpenRSView. It is a replacement of virtual provider. It will not store data physically. Okay, and this you can say like this. Okay. They will not ask much about this. And you can create open history based on the facts, also master data and also text. Okay. Now we'll discuss about DTPs. Data transfer process. Data transfer process. Okay. Basically, these are four types. These are four types. Okay. This is very important. Transformations. I can say transformation and DTP. Very important. If you don't create, if we don't create if we don't create transformation, we cannot create derivative. See here, if we don't create transformation, we cannot create DTP. Okay. Uh, Always both are both are interdependent. Okay. Even if we create transformation without DTP, we cannot load data. We cannot load the data without DTP. We cannot load the data without DTP in BW4 HANA. Okay. So the sources, when you are using sources, DTP, what are all the sources? What are all the targets? It will support. Source would be complete provider. Complete provider. I'm saying complete provider is a virtual provider. It will not store data. but we cannot load data to Composite Provider. But we can use Composite Provider as source. We can use query as a source. Query as a source, but we cannot use Composite Provider as a target. We cannot use query as a target, but we can use as a source. That option they given. Okay, you can source like these are info objects. Okay, OpenODS view. Even you can keep OpenODS view as a source. Okay. So like this, we have all these options. For target, ADSO, OpenHub, OpenHub destination, info object. So for these options, you can load it. See, targets are very less. ADSO or OpenHub destination or info object, not more than this. Okay. These are like physically storing the data. ADSO. So that is the way we are using these options. You cannot use any other options as a target. Okay. And how you will use Composite Provider as source, we will see. Okay. And DTP, four types, right? What are the standard DTP? Standard DTP. Okay. Error DTP and virtual DTP. Virtual DTP means direct access DTP, real-time DTP. Real-time DTP. These are the four types of DTPs. So by default it will create standard DTP. By default it will create. By default it will create. Okay. So 99% will use standard DTP. Error DTP only 1%. Only 1% we will use. Okay. For this database is error stack. Error stack. So generally standard DSO what it will do in the older version, PSA to DSO it will bring the data. Example, I'm saying it. Or else DSO to DSO it will bring. Or else DSO to cube it will bring. Okay. This is happening in the old version. So in the error DTP, it will bring data from error stack. It will bring data from error stack to DSO. Error stack to DSO. Error stack to info object. Okay, error stack to cube. So this is the source for error DTP. Error DTP having source is always error stack. Error stack where you can see. If you go here and you can see it RS, where is the BW system? I'll go here. If you go RS DTP, there you will come to if you maintain. Okay, RS DTP. In the older version, we'll see. Okay, just I will show you where we will get these options. See here. Okay, go to last request. Basically, it will display here. This is BW4 HANA. We having DDIC for this. See here, we having. Generally, it will have like PSA, manage data source. So basically, it will show. Okay, here we'll have one option. So I will show you in the old version. So in this, like no, we don't have it any error stack. We didn't maintain also. See here, if we select this option, third option, then only we will get error stack option. When you select read request read, write error tag, update value records. This is very important. Here the name itself error handling. Okay. So first option is by default cancel request, track first record, no update. That means the request will be read. Okay, cancel request means read. Okay, track first record only. Okay, that means why it was failed data load, it will display only one record. Okay, no update. It will not update data to the target. So where is the target? What is the target here? 55 is the target. It will not update data to the 55. And next option. What is the second option? This option. Cancel request, do not track, no update. So the first option is this option. Cancel request, it will be in the red, and do not track record. Why it was failed? It will not tell you. It will not tell you why data load is failed and no update to the target. And the third option is request read, write error stack. So whatever you have error records, it will go and sit into the error stack level because we didn't maintain this one. Okay, go back, just go back and edit it, edit, edit. And if you select this option, if you select this option, if you select this option, then see now it is asking to create error DTP. Before we don't have it. Okay, if you have any request, see error stack. Now it is came. Earlier it was not there because this option is selected. This option is selected. When you select this option or this option, then only error stack will come. Error DTP will bring data from error stack only, not source. Okay. So by default, how many types of how many types of DTPs are there? By default, standard DTP will create it. See, standard DTP can be scheduled. DTP for real time and DTP for direct access DTP. This is error DTP. We having four types of DTPs. By default created standard DTP and error DTP last one and direct access DTP and real-time DTP. So if you are loading data based on the streaming, every 5 seconds you are loading the data. Every 5 seconds, every 1 minute, every 5 minutes you are loading the data from source. Then you will go for real time. But SAP is suggesting that if you create real-time DTP, it will decay the performance because every 5 minutes it will load the data. Okay. Okay, real-time DTP. So if we are creating real DTP, we need to create real-time info package as well in the older version. So anyhow, we are using BW4HANA, we will not face that much loading performance issue and all because we are using HANA database. And virtual, this is direct access DTP. Basically, when you are creating in the older version, this is virtual DTP, virtual provider, right? We have a three types of cubes. Standard info cube, virtual provider. When you are creating virtual provider, we need to load data through direct access DTP only. Otherwise, we cannot load. Okay, for other objects, we cannot use direct access. So only virtual provider only, we have to use direct access. When you are using direct access DTP and we need to enable, okay, directly it will bring data from source. It will not bring data from data source. It will not bring data from DSO, all this. Directly it will bring from source. Direct access. Now, people, we are not using direct access. We are not using real time. Maybe you will not get chance as well. Only most standard and error DTP only you will create it. If you have any error records, then it will go and set it. If you execute now, save and execute it. Activate and execute it. Okay. If you have any records, it will go and set into. So data load got success and we don't have any error records. Okay. So like this, you can see it, okay? We'll see this example as well, one day, okay? This is how it will work, okay? We'll see. Okay, by default, standard DTP only, but while DTP is very important, DTP tabs are very important. Whatever we are discussing, right? These DTP tabs are very important. Always you remember extraction tab, update tab, and execute tab. And in the execute tab only execute and go to update. Sometimes if you want to debug any ABAP code, you need to select this option. In the interview, they will ask you, okay, go here. And if you are selecting, this is update tab level, we having target details. Okay, in this extraction level, we having source details. From where to where you are loading the data. Okay, always remember these three tabs, extraction, update, execute. Okay, and we having few options early. Okay, we'll do, okay, with the practical by tomorrow. Delta, init without data, get all new data request by request. If we have request, bunch of request, 100 request, it will update one by one. Okay. And get delta once. It will update only once delta. And if you delete, then you will not get it that. Parallel extraction. If you want to load parallelly, then you need to always suggesting that select this option, parallel extraction. And if you want to know more, click on F1. Function key F1, you will get the matter. Okay, you can go through it, okay? If you want to know any option. Okay, if you want to know this one, okay, function key F1. Okay, you will get it. Get data by request. You can go through it, okay? No need to read anything on. Okay, select this one and you can anything you can select and you can go through it. And update we having error handling and trigger database match. Sometimes in the interview they will ask you trigger database match. Okay, that we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, this is also very important, trigger database match. Okay, here error handling and trigger database match we'll discuss more, okay, tomorrow. Okay, bye.